Speaking of making the country proud, how does it feel to be the frontliners of a Disney musical like Mickey's Wondrous Book? You did the opening song, the closing song, and you also play the genie, right? How does it feel sa inyong dalawa?
Malaki ang pressure.
Malaki pa rin ang pressure?
Pressure talaga. Oo.
Okay.
Kasi you have to be on your toes all the time kasi kailangan mong kantahin ang kanta na ganito. Kung ganito yung tono niya, kailangan ganyan. Kasi pag kung sumemplang ka, naku, lagot ka. May YouTube, lahat. Ha? May ebidensya. So, parang malaking ano talaga. Kailangan handa. Tapos ano masasabi ko? You have to be prepared for everything.
Was there a time, Rocky, that you...
Oo, madaming
meron.
beses. I mean, for the previous shows
Yeah.
na Pinas, maraming beses na kasi simple nagkakamali. Lalo na yung previous role ko. Kasi nagsasalita ako ng Cantonese. So, it's really a challenge na dapat wala kang isang maling word mo lang, wala, iba ng meaning nun. So, always on my toes.
Ikaw, Gian?
Siyempre pressure ako. Of course, grateful lang din talaga na hindi makapaniwala lagi. And at the same time, as an artist, yung meron kang feeling na kailangan you have to beat yourself all the time, especially if you're doing we're doing like 5 or 7 shows in a day, for example, and it's 5 times a week. Or sometimes, well, the shows are every day talaga, pero may 2 day off kami in a week. But during those shows, iba-iba yung tao eh. Iba-iba yung tao. And you really have to give equal, like, or even better shows every day as the months go by. Not just a day. It's not just like a weekend show. No, it's an everyday show. Always on your toes, even if it's 11 o'clock in the morning. Parang hindi bagong gising, for example. Parang